Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Country girl, big up yourself. Silent rebel, big up yourself. Nuclear Rastaman, big up yourself every time. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Me I go update to know, cause more information are coming. And me have to bring out the facts. Now, look on the left side there, that are dirt. The youth in the middle, Seaview man there, from the young from Seaview, little dirty kind of boy. And then see how another dirty kind of boy there, after him, stand up in front of the car. Me label him Informer. But me have to explain all that. And then you have Miss News Carrier over there, so Miss Lana, she get slapped with. Alright. So, I saw the thing jump off. A youth of unsound mind get leaked out by a man from Rebel side. When them get leaked down from Rebel side, the man them over Seaview start, get miserable and little things jump off. Man get shot in a body, this man get shot, yeah, so man, say a man get shot in a body. Alright. After that, another thing they go on and you have a candlelight vigil for one youth to be dead. You see what I'm saying? Now, the youth the dirt, him have got the candlelight for the youth. And him a lock up in bar. Him a lock up in bar, you know. And the Seaview man them walk straight through the neighborhood in our flankers, Rebel side. And I look for anything where I move. If it was a dog, them would have take it out. If a roach, them a slap it away. And it's a arm that a youth, dirt, him, them see, and him get knocked. Now, you see the youth in the white hat, the third picture. Him, why we label him Informer, him never bring them pan dirt, him show them the way, how we all forget over Rebel side. And so comes him label Informer. Now, we know that lady in that picture, Miss Lana, lose her life. You understand? But the man them over there on the Rebel side and people say she carry news. And her name always a ring bell. So, as so comes, she end up in that. Yo, when you live in a ghetto, as a matter of fact, when you live anywhere, the worst thing you can do, carry news from one set of man or one set of community to the next, and say it's a violent community. It's like you ask for some problems. You see what I say? So, as so comes, Miss Lana get caught up in it and get dashed. And like I said, I'm not happy about it. I'm not, you understand, me just make the people them know. You understand? You understand? So, I'm going to recap it for now again. And then I'm going to move along and show you a picture and how Tommy Lee get linked in it. So, Dirt get dashed away by the youth in the second picture with the money. The youth now in the white hat, him are the one who show the Seaview man them how to come over Rebel side. Candlelight are go on, the Seaview man them a look for anything Finyam dad and go so boom, catch Dirts and him get slapped with. Now, me nah say Dirt's a good boy and him go church. But him did I do him little bar thing. You understand? And him whatever him did I do, him never did I start no war. You see what I'm saying? Him just get caught up. Cause the man them a look for something for that way. Let's move on. So people, look at the picture in front of me. Now, you see the men them in black. I deceive you, man them that. You see the youth right there saying that the black hat, at him, thing with hurts. You see what I say? Now, the reason why Tommy Lee picture there so is because the Seaview man them are the only man them in link in a flankers. Remember him and Craig kick off and split the crew, Sparta gang. So him link with them man here. See what I say? Now, recap it again and then I'm out. Dirts get dash way. Due to little man get licked down of unsound mind. Man them come from the rebel side. Kick off a rate war. See you man them come in a place in a rebel. The youth on the first picture show them money and back. A part we all forget in a rebel side. Candlelight vigil. Dirts get fling where man and man get upset. Realize Miss Lana live on the front page and be not carry news. I said a while ago. We just want to update it. You understand? It's like this is one of the hardest video I do, because every time I update it, something update it earlier and upload the thing and the audio. Like Tommy Lee must see over me. You understand? Every time I try to put up that video like a science again to blow out. But anyways, I do update this, you know. You understand? And so the thing go. Dirts get fling where the boy and I black card. Them boy they will look like Batman them. You understand? Deal with it. Tommy Lee link with them set a man there in a sea view from flankers and chat him out Barry Miss Lana. Get caught up in that. Yo, countryman, I'm out. Peace. I'ma love everybody. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.